Legal malpractice cases where your attorney, your former attorney, had an addiction issues, addiction problems. Good afternoon, my name is Neil Burns, and these are tough cases that I'm going to talk about today. I've been asked to talk about today. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice here in Massachusetts, and we also represent victims of personal injury. Many of these legal malpractice cases that we take, we come to find out that the attorney had an addiction. Now, that could be classical type of addiction of drugs or alcohol. It could be some other type of gambling or something of that nature. But the bottom line is he or she went off the wagon, went off the rails, wasn't representing you fairly adequately, screwed up your case, you lost rights because they sort of failed in their profession, in their career. And they're sad cases because these are people who, some of whom were very good, very prominent, excellent at doing what they originally did, and then something happened and they stopped doing what they were supposed to do, and they failed you, and they breached their duty to you, and you lost money, lost rights. So how do we do this? First of all, we have to make sure they have insurance, or their firm has insurance, so that we can collect if we do win. Secondly, we have to do this sort of carefully, because if you push too hard, you can alienate the wrong parties, including the attorney who screwed up. You want to get him or her to admit the problem, or at least admit the facts that we need to prove to the problem. Sometimes they take off, they're out of state. Sometimes their partners deny they did what they did, and sometimes their partners are so upset and angry that they're not helpful either. So they're complicated cases. We've had many of them. You just need to take it step by step. You need to do it the way you always do, methodically, carefully, dotting every I, crossing every T, moving forward in these cases as they progress, and realize that the person on the other side is not necessarily who he or she once was, but that they've become somewhat limited. We have won these cases. We will win these cases for you if that's the type of case you have. Give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. We're effective, we're aggressive, and we care about you. Call Burns & Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.